In Odessa, Ukraine, United Nations Secretary General Antonio Guterres says more must be done to increase Ukrainian and Russian food and fertilizer exports. In North Korea, Kim Yo-jong, sister of North Korea's leader, denounces an offer from South Korea's president to provide economic aid in exchange for ending the North's nuclear program. In China, traffic on the Yangtze River has fallen sharply because of extremely dry conditions and low water levels, especially in Chongqing. And in Spain, firefighters continue battling huge wildfires affecting the Castellón and Valencia areas.